Okay guys, so let's explain these last 5 questions of Friday's test. This is the practice test here. And if we look at number 26, we have 5 squared with a negative in front. Okay, so once again, there's a big difference between having the negative sign inside the parentheses, and there's a big difference if the negative sign is on the out, if there is no parentheses with including the negative sign. So what we need to remember here is that 5 squared is really 5 times 5. And what about this negative sign that's out here in the front? It's not included when you write them right here. So this negative 5 simply comes right down and you place it right in front of your first number. So in a sense, you have negative 5 times positive 5, and the answer is negative 25. That's your answer. Now let's compare it over here to the one that does have a negative inside the parentheses. So right here it really is a negative 2. The negative is included as part of the base, okay? Over here, the negative sign was not included as part of the base. It's only 5 squared with the negative in front. But over here, the negative sign is part of the base, which is negative 2. So when I expand this one, I really do have negative 2 times negative 2. And of course, we all know that negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. So that's the big difference of not having parentheses and having parentheses with a negative inside. Of course, on the test, I'm not going to give you these exact questions. Maybe I'll have a 3 right here instead of a 2. Maybe I'll have the parentheses around this one instead of this one. But as long as you understand the difference between 26 and 27 on this practice test, you should do fine on the actual test 26-27, which is Friday. Okay, and the last 3 questions are simply review. A negative times a positive is a negative, so your final answer is negative 18. Number 29, we're not multiplying because there's an actual sign between the two numbers, so we are thinking of money. So if I owe $9 and I owe $2, I'm going to owe a total of $11. And last but not least, once again, there is a sign between the two terms, so I'm not multiplying, but I do need to remember that a minus minus changes the plus plus. So I owe $3, but I have $9. I could pay that person off. I'm going to actually have $6 left over. And that's it. That's it. We finished the last 5 questions on the practice test, and that should get you through the last 5 questions on the actual test this Friday.